to the third video of intermediate level, and let's learn a new lesson. Today's lesson is about present perfect continuous tense, and we want to learn that how we can use present perfect continuous tense. So be with me up to the end of the video. The present perfect continuous tense expresses an action which started in the past and is still continuing. A very important point. The main verb is verb plus ing, and we use for all continuous tenses the ing form of the verb. The helping verb for this tense is have or has plus been. Look at the structure for making sentences. Affirmative form: subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. And if you want to change it to negative, we just add a note in here. So the negative form is subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. To change it into question form or interrogative form, we bring have or has in the beginning of the sentence. Question form: have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement, and also question mark. Negative interrogative: have or has plus subject plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Negative interrogative: this is formal and this is informal. Have or has plus have or has plus not plus verb plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object or complement. Look at the example. We have been studying English since morning. We have not been studying English since morning. The negative form, question form or interrogative form: have we been studying English since morning? Negative interrogative: have we not been studying English since morning? Have not been we studying have not we been studying English since morning? So this was the definition and structure of present perfect continuous tense. So now we want to know that when we can use the present perfect continuous tense. It shows an action that started in the past and it has present result. For example, we see our computer that someone has been using it. So we say someone has been using my computer. The another usage for present perfect continuous tense is this, that it shows the fast changes. For example, we can see that the prices have been increasing since morning or since last day. So this was the present perfect continuous tense, the definition, usages, structures, and example. Study simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Very, very easy. Simple past tense shows an action which happens in a particular time in the past. Main verb, second form of the verb, helping verb, did. Structure: subject plus second form of the verb plus object or complement. Interrogative negative form: subject plus did plus not plus base form of the verb plus object or complement. The interrogative form: did plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object or complement. And informal negative interrogative form: did plus not plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object or complement plus question mark. Don't forget to put a question mark. Formal negative interrogative: did plus subject plus not plus verb one or base form of the verb plus object or complement plus question mark. Look at the example. I washed my car last week. I didn't wash my car last week. In here, the verb has second form. The second form of the verb has ed. And in here, this is the base form of the verb. Why? Because that shows that there is a past tense, and we do need to use second form of the wash in here. And so, and negative interrogative and negative interrogative, we use base form of the verb for past tense. I didn't wash my car last week. Did I wash my car last week? Did not I wash my car last week? Did I not wash my car last week? So the second example: she finished her university last year. Affirmative, and this is interrogative. We just put a did not and change the second form to the base form. She didn't finish her university last week. Did she finish her university last year? Did not she finish her university last year? Did she not finish her university last year? And look at this two example. Ahmed married last month. Last month. Zahra studied her lessons yesterday. So it is your homework that you have to change these two sentences into negative interrogative and also negative interrogative. So we have studied the definition of simple past tense and how to use it, but now we are going to study that when we can use it, when we have to use it. It is used to show an action which is started and finished at a specific time in the past. For example, I saw him yesterday. The another usage says that it is used to show it is used without time expressions when the speaker and the listener both know the time of the action. For example, I washed the car, she washed the dishes, he painted the wall, and so on. And the another usage for simple past tense is this, that it is used to show past actions or habits that we don't do it anymore. For example, Muhammad always helped the poor. He drank a lot. Ahmad always smoked the cigarettes. And another example, for example, they fought every day. Actually, it is used instead of used to. And this was the usage of simple past tense. I hope you learn it. Try to make more examples and try to use it practically. Don't memorize the definition. The definition is not important, but but this is important, that how you can make example with them without any mistakes.